stay and I will grow there.
Hey guys, good morning. How you all doing this morning? Hope you guys are fine and keep it safe as well. So it's Saturday morning. I don't normally go out on Saturday, but today is essential because I'm going to get fruit. We don't have fruit at home, and I will be doing something back home later. And also I want to get a gift for someone special, someone so that is special. Let me put it that way. Yeah, tomorrow is his birthday, so I want to get a gift for him too. So we're going for shopping for that.
In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow there, hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny. Your love makes me feel.
So guys, I'm in the supermarket. Yeah, I am just feeling myself. So I'm going inside the supermarket right now. Let me show you the supermarket I'm in. Okay. Oh yes.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see. There are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow there, hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
Home, I've taken off my wig. It's very good to take off this wig anyway. So I bought the gift and I bought some fruit as well. So I will show you the fruits I bought and the gift. So I cannot show you what is inside the gift. I will surely show you the pack. I know my friend will be watching this video. Definitely, I know she will. So I'm going to wrap what the church asked me to bring to the church tomorrow morning. That is what I'll be doing this afternoon. And is something for the kids, which they're going to present to the kids. So they asked me to wrap it and bring it to the church tomorrow. That is what I'll be doing this afternoon. Okay, I will show you guys why I'm wrapping it. Okay.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see. There are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow there, hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny. Your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change.
The next day.
Derek want to cut the cake. Some of us were not opportune to cut cake at 1. Even at 2 will not get opportunity. Now only first one that they cut cake that time. And the cake now Cappy biscuit, Merinda, pounds. Then they will pour powder for your body. That's what we make an eye. The rest now they do birthday. Only the first time they do birthday. We were some of us were opportune. Right, please. Today is Derek's birthday. Derek just turned 2. You like how I feel it touch you. This is MC. Hallelujah.
Amen.
I mean, I want to bring light and more light this thing.
It don't go. Mama Jana, come back.
Yes, you.